Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box by Sugar Muses. This is one of my monthly witchy subscriptions. So, it's one of the more reasonably priced ones. I'm going to cut myself. Okay, let's see. There we go. Let's check it out. The Feast of Avalon. Smells nice. Maybon Blessings, Midnight Muses. It smells a lot like the Midnight Muse box or the Sugar Muse box as well. It's a nice smell, but I'm a little sick, so 8 of Wands. Cool. I love these black envelopes, and I recently got black gel pens from the Wish app, which I love. Her card. Beautiful, beautiful content. I love red. Red and black are one of my favorite color schemes. Just an incense. I'm just a little sick. Oh, what do we got? A pail. It's Rana. I love it. So I got Rana. That's what that bell's name is. She's the sleep bringer. And I definitely am tired. I hope you guys are having a good evening. Some little quartz crystal points, very cute. You really can't have too much quartz. I love these little bottles. I have yet to find a little shelf for them. So, casting salts and incense one. So enchanting. Love them. Pardon me. Maybon offering. Very cool. Autumn brew. Definitely been drinking a lot of tea today. It smells like cedar, but I'll have to see what it actually is. My nose is not particularly working right now. Maybon Blessings candle. We've got an oil here. Maybon Magic Oil. Oh, smell it. It smells like fruit, which is nice. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Christy, I love it. Yes. No. Oh my god, I love it. It's heavy. It's thick. It is so freaking cool. I love this. So cool. I absolutely love it. Wow. This is the time of the second harvest. Trees are adorning themselves with their colorful autumn coats as the summer's last glow slips away before the waxing darkness. The great ancient Sabbath festival of Mavon, or Mavon, I don't know, is a name for the Welsh Celtic god. It celebrates our thanksgiving for the abundant fruits and crops of the earth. It is also known as the Feast of Avalon. To the Celts, Avalon is home to the dead and literally means the land of apples. Thus, this is a holiday for celebrating the bounty of the harvest and the desire for the living to visit with our loved ones who have crossed over. This seemingly innocent fruit, cultivated by the Romans and Britons as early as 3000 BCE, has had a long association with magic, witchcraft, goddess worship, Mabon, and Samhain. This fruit holds great magic. To access this magic, cut an apple horizontally to reveal the 5-pointed sacred pentagram. The symbols that represent all of the physical and spiritual elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. The apple's magical aspects include love, fidelity, prosperity, beauty, wisdom, divination, and immortality. With this Sabbath, we begin our journey into shadow season, when the barriers between the worlds thin. Now through November, divination and the ability to communicate with our ancestors is at its strongest point. For this ritual, you may wish to start with a cleansing bath. Then gather everything you will need to light the apple cinnamon incense. Cinnamon's magical properties include protection, love, and prosperity. Cast a circle using the casting salt in the glass vial. Ring your silver-plated altar bell. This one's Rana. Beautiful. It's said that every time a bell rings indicates a change in the fabric of the universe. The bell's vibrations can banish negative energies, call in desired spirits, and evoke the goddess. You may wish to ring it after casting the circle to seal the energy within. The incense blend is sage, bay leaf, and rosemary. Bay leaf wards against negativity, and sage for smudging and cleansing bases. Burning rosemary rids the home of negative energies. Sprinkle some of this blend by doors and windows to keep unwanted people out of your home. Ground and center. Anoint yourself with the Mabon magic oil, apple, sage, sweet almond, and vitamin E. Then remove the scroll and light your Mabon harvest candle. You may wish to perform this ritual on the scroll. Divination spell coin. Make decisions or foretell the future using your yes or no questions with this ornately decorated coin. Focus on your question as you spin the coin until it stops on a definitive answer. Now is the time for any additional spell workings you may wish to include in your Sabbath celebration. After divination spell work, I like to light a blue sage smudge bundle to clear the energy of my space. So this is blue sage, sorry. Sprinkle the flower offerings on your altar as an offering along with the quartz crystal cluster. It has been called the universal crystal because it has many uses. Complete the ritual and you can drink your tea. Intuitively drawn tarot cards from the Dark Tarot. Beautiful box. Love it. Lord have mercy. Okay. This is the Midnight Muses box. I find it utterly enchanting. I love the black and red color scheme. I like the appley cinnamon autumn scent as opposed to like the pumpkin-y cinnamon scent. I like them both, but it's just a nice change of pace. Pardon me. Whew. My goodness, I'm so sorry. I love these. I'm collecting them, actually. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite thing. I'm trying to drink more tea, but right now I'm just drinking tea and honey. I can't go wrong with quartz crystals, and I love bells. I would like to have a set of 7. A set of 7 would be ideal. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I love doing boxes, and I'm going to keep doing that because I really enjoy it. But there is going to be some change. I'm probably dropping 2 or 3 of the boxes that I have been getting and starting a couple different ones. So that's going to be a change, but also in the next few months, I would like to respond to some of the VRs I have seen. It's been really busy with school, So it's all that I can do to keep up with with what I have going on right now. But I definitely want you guys to know that's coming, including I saw Supportive Tarot do the To Love a Witch, and my husband has promised to do that one with me. So looking forward to that. At some point I would like to do a live, but I am just trying to catch up right now. Anyways, thank you guys. Love you. Have a good night.